All right, brothers and sisters, we are still practice here in Ram area, Darsit, with our father Ram and you driver, Satish. Oh, Mr. Ram, doing back rivers. We keep watching drum number 2, should be 50 or 60% visible from the first drum. Already he turned fully left, then he keep looking to the left mirror because you want to see the space between your car and the first drum, and you will stop like that, steering straight. That's it. All right, that's it. Yes, fully left. Good. Always be careful in that area when you're turning, when the both side is straight, direct brake. Yes, good, good, well done. Steering straight, brother, don't forget. Yes, yes. Can you wait, brother? So your car going direct to the two last drums, yeah? So it's better to stop and try to open this area. How? You're going to turn fully right. Fully right, yes. Good. To step back. Okay. Right now it's okay. Straight, right? Stop, stop. Yes. And then steering straight. From here, okay. And go ahead. Always. On the drum, don't be rushed. Step by step. You can do it. Huh, Satish? Yes. Wish him good luck, Satish.
Thank you, sir.
Wish him good luck. He's your friend, man.
Anna, good.
Okay, our brother, Mr. Ram, he's going to right side. Right side, I give him the trick to be watching drum number 4 between 2 and 3. Should be in the middle. You will see this one. Going to stop. Yes, he will turn fully right. Yeah, fully right. Yes, already he turned. Good. So also we have to keep watching right mirror. Why you want to see drum number 1, the first drum. You need to keep the space between your car and first drum. Okay, this space okay. You stop already, steering straight. Try don't go too much. Yes, until here you stop. Fully right. Yes, perfect. That's good. Because if you're going more, you will go tight from the other side. Maybe go to hit also. Good. When the both side is straight, direct brake, brother. Yes. Make sure side is straight. After that you can move. No. Don't turn right. You are tight from left. Turn left. Open this area. Yes. Steering straight. Like that. Keep going. Don't be rushed. Wonderful. Yep. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.